Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Sunday, July 7, 2024. It's all about boredness or being bored. One must find some diversions in life so as not to bore yourself with the monotony of life. Because of this boredness, you may be quarrelsome or fighting about nothing. Take good care of your mental health. Take good care of your own sanity. Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito ng Linggo ay 7 ng July 2024. Panahon pa rin ng Cancer. Sinasabi ng horoscope natin ngayon ang salitang pagkabagot. Naiinis ka at hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin mo. Kaya nagiging palaway ka. Kung gayon, maghanap ng pagkakalibangan